In the vibrant world of social media, Instagram and TikTok merge as titan of visual storytelling, each boasting unique ad ecosystem tailored to different audience and marketing strategies. Instagram reigns supreme in conversions, attracting a mature crowd aged 25 to 45 years, while TikTok captured the hearts of Gen Z aged 16 to 30 years, which is infectious energy and engaging content. Let's dive into the demographic. Instagram is well-balanced platform, featuring a gender split of 52% male and 48% female, thriving predominantly in urban tier 1 and 2 cities. User here seek polished content that reflects either lifestyle, making Instagram a heaven for brands in fashion, fitness, travel, lifestyle sector. However, in contrast, TikTok is a whirlwind of creativity, experiencing explosive growth in tier 2 and 3 cities and rural areas, where 60% of users are female. This vibrant platform serves as a playground for younger audience who crave authenticity and spontaneity in their content. The interest of these users tell us a compelling story. Instagram affectionates are drawn to curated aesthetic and lifestyle inspiration, while TikTok users are captivated by music, humor, challenges, beauty, and DIY projects. This insight reveals TikTok's magnetic pull on younger, mobile first user, while Instagram caters to those with a penchant for higher quality, commerce ready content. While it comes to an art format, Instagram offers a treasure of trove of options. From stunning feed ads that showcase high quality visual to immersive 15-second stories that grab attention in flash. Instagram knows how to keep their audience engaged. Reels ads have entered the scene, echoing TikTok's short, snappy videos, while influencer collaboration are seamless, allowing brand to tap into power of social proof. Instagram's shopping experience is also noteworthy, complete with native checkout and product ads, making purchasing a delight for users. On the other hand, TikTok brings a fresh advertising approach. It thrives on authentic short videos that resonate with audience, steering clear of traditional feed ads. The platform is a hotbed for user-generated content where creativity knows no bounds. TikTok shopping features may be limited to external links, but its raw and energetic vibe fosters a sense of community that's hard to resist. Cost-wise, TikTok is the most accessible option for advertiser with a CPC averaging between 3 to 12 rupees. It invites brands to join the fun without breaking the bank. Instagram, with its CPC ranging from 5 to 18, offers a more premium experience, but often deliver higher return on ad spend for established brands looking to convert. The CPM on Instagram can be higher, averaging 120 to 250, while TikTok keeps it lower to 80 to 200, making TikTok an enticing playground for newcomers. Performance Matrix reveals the true of magic of these platforms. Instagram's average click-through rate hovers between 0.8 to 1.5%, while TikTok's dazzles with a CTR of 1.5% to 2.32%. Engagement rates tell us a similar tale, with TikTok boasting 4.5 to 7%, while Instagram rates are 1.2 for feed ads and 4% for stories. TikTok video hold viewers' attention longer, averaging 15 to 25 seconds compared to Instagram 5 to 10 seconds. This suggests that TikTok's content is not just watched, it is experienced. Ultimately, the key to success lies in understanding the unique strength of each platform. By leveraging these insights, brands can craft marketing strategy that resonate deeply with their audience, creating connection that inspire action and drive results. For more insights, subscribe and click the bell icon.